Ordering from safetymedia.com is simpler than ever with the rollout of our product series. Product series are essentially groups of products that are similar that we have nested together to make searching for them easier. Products that we have deemed similar are now grouped together under one product name. Using the search bar, the menu, or the product category icons, you can search for the product and select the variation of the product that you would like to order using the drop-down options. For example, we have grouped our in case of fire signs by the wording they use. Such wording includes alarm type, elevators or no elevators, and optional wording. You can search for the SIO1, and within the SIO1 product, select the material type and the accessibility. For other products, you may have the option of selecting size, wording, and/or direction, among other variations. We hope you found this video interesting and helpful. Please sign up for our informative monthly newsletter, check out our online store, follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and feel free to contact us through phone or email anytime. Thank you for watching.